Welcome to the BariGirls Kitchen. I'm Linda.
And I'm Kylie.
Well, today we're here making it count by making you a delicious shredded salmon bowl with brown rice. And we're going to include cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, red onions, and we're going to top it with your favorite salsa and our favorite goat cheese.
I'll say it's our favorite. Some of the benefits of red onions versus white onions are as follows. Red onions are full of sulfur compounds that help protect the body from various cancers,
Wow.
ulcers, and this is the best one. It even helps fight bacteria in the urinary tract.
Let's get started. We'll preheat our oven to 400 degrees, and in a medium-sized bowl, we'll combine our sauce mixture. So that will be soy sauce, fish sauce, honey, garlic, ginger, and chili paste. We'll mix that thoroughly and set that aside because we'll be working back with that momentarily. Hey, did you know that raw honey is a fighter for our bodies because it helps in the prevention of memory disorders? And it's a great sugar substitute.
Okay, I'm going to have to remember that.
Very funny.
To prepare our salmon for the bowl, we will start by placing our salmon skin side down on our baking sheet that's already coated with non-stick cooking spray. We're going to bake that for about 15 to 20 minutes. Depending on the size of your salmon fillet, it can lean towards the 15 or it can lean towards the 20. Once that's done, pop that on out of there and we're going to flake the salmon into a bowl, set it aside, but not before I get a bite.
In a large skillet over medium-high heat, we're going to add our oil and let that oil warm up for about 5 minutes. And then we're going to add our sauce mixture and cook that for an additional 10 minutes. Now, the great part, we're going to add our cooked and flaked salmon into the skillet and cook for another 10 minutes to let all the flavors marinate.
In individual bowls, we'll add our rice, our salmon mixture, cherry tomatoes. We're going to add our cucumbers, and I am a big fan of red onion. Now, Mom, I know sometimes you like a kick, but I'm going to steal all of the jalapenos from Mom to add a little kick to my bowl, but she's going to go ahead and use the salsa and, of course, our goat cheese.
And there you have it, nutrition meets deliciousness.
Don't forget to leave a like and follow us, the BariGirls, for more healthy, flavorful, and fun recipes.
And when you try these at home, please leave us a comment and let us know how you
Make it count. The BariGirls are brought to you by Hen House. BariGirls out.